So I challenged the team this morning. I said, let's get excited about our inventory. So I want all of you to walk the lot. It could be the new side, it could be the pre-owned side. And you tell me what car currently in inventory gets you most excited and why. Let me show you the car currently that I'm most excited about. Boom. The new CLE 53 Cabriolet. Oh my goodness. Look at these wheels. This is so hot. Alpine gray, black and red interior. Look at the black spoiler, the night package plus this car. Oh my goodness. Of course, it has to show up in November, where, you know, in Cleveland, it's not exactly convertible weather anymore. But if it was, I 100% would put some car seats in the back of this and drive it for a little while. This is just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love the new CLE 53 so much. I think the lines on this car are just absolutely phenomenal. I love these new wheels. They look so good. And I love that this one has the night package plus extended. $98,695 on this. And it has the Performance Studio package and the night package plus, but we went with the 20-inch cross-spoke wheels in gray, which I think is such a cool touch because honestly, don't get me wrong, I love the black wheels, but I'm also very into the polished gray wheels, and I think that it just works on this car. I really do. Let me know your thoughts. Are you into it? I'm into it. I just had to show you this car.